y'all done put that fire together at Body, nigga. I'm in this motherfucker now, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Show you how we do this shit, nigga. Stones at the body, we gon' bust this bitch head. We gon' take it to the body. Made a deal with the devil, so you don't want to touch me. Pussy, you're lucky that things don't get ugly. My daddy always told me catch a nigga from the knock his ass off. Express was on my mind. Ain't nothing but me phony, my nigga. I keep it real with you. Jump stupid and body head don't deal with you. Both of your jaws swollen like the measles. The only man can save you is Jesus. I'm still praying for you, but I dispose of you. I take your hoes from you, I break your nose for you. I'm the sickest, I'm suicidal, so don't get me excited. The roof ain't on fire, but bet y'all get it lighted. Another baked chopper, and name ringing in your brain. From the body to the head, and we bringing niggas pain. Street ballers balling in the streets behind a chain, so don't make us up the bangs and get the spray. We gon' take it to the body. We bust the bitch head. We bust the bitch head. We bust the bitch head. We gon' take it to the if friends getting broken, I'm breaking it with my peeps. Body head bangers, we taking over the streets. You couldn't get us no title with lies. Nothing but womanizers, so bitches despise us. Come on, Pensacola, I'm a rebel to death, cause I'm a border boy. Nothing more, nothing less. You disrespect or test what I say. It's body to the head, so shit go my way. I'm a gutter boy with a bunch of gutter ways. Gutter mentality, but the gutter get me paid. You had your chance, we bout to pop. Big bread, take little bread, like it or not, nigga. I ain't sick so I could calm my nerves. Find me a duck, get some head in the bird. I'm a fool with them hoes, nigga, that's my word. Show me a dime and I bet I'm getting served. Everybody know me, probably saw me half cock, drunk high in the club, about to get it hot. Louisiana nigga down, here we get buh. And if we ain't fighting, it's probably cause we're too fucked up. I smoke, I drink, I'm supposed to stop, but I can't. I'm a dog, I love hoes, and I'm addicted to money calls. Do it big then, do it big nigga, do it big nigga, do it big nigga.
I drink good, and hell I feel fine. But see, I'm a young blood bitch and I'm high. No, I don't sip wine, boy I sip goosey. 18 shots of Patron, then got me loose. Now we buying out the bar, we pouring up them drinks, trying to stop this madness. Some slizzer, but so I can't see. This is how we do it, my nigga down in the south. Can't stand a fucking hater, now go on and stomp 'em out. Cause see we do it real big, bitch I'm a dog. Rolling with my nigga Magic, we bout to ball in the club, shaking hoes, straight up out the door. I'm swerving in my Chevy, about to let these niggas know.
I want that Roy gon' ball, cause Roy got bread. Roy gotta smoke or drink, he gets head. Roy keep at least 6 women up in the bed. Roy do it big, cause Roy got it made. Body, I smoke, I drink. I'm supposed to stop, but I can't. I'm a dog, I love hoes, and I'm addicted to money calls. Do it big then, do it big nigga, do it big nigga, do it big nigga. Fight. I smoke, I drink. I'm supposed to stop, but I can't. I'm a dog, I love hoes, and I'm addicted to money calls. Do it big then, do it big nigga, do it big nigga, do it big nigga. Yeah, body head bangers volume 1. You heard me?
I'm my chipos, man. I got this, yeah.
Can't be touched, can't be stopped, can't be moved, can't be rocked, can't be shook. We hot. When will you niggas learn? Came to get crunk, came to bring life, came to get started, came to get right. Turn down the music, turn up my mic. When will you niggas learn? I mean, when I speak, I do as I say. I hustle, I grind, don't get in my way. I'm pimping my hoes, jacking my foes. Spit at police, duck my POs. I ain't going to court, you can call a judge. Tell him kiss my ass, cause I ain't gon' budge. And I ain't going back to lock up, you trying to clock a pop up. I ain't going back to broke, and I'm never gonna stop puffing. Not for nothing, the block they need me, the streets they need me. The club scene, nigga, it's mine, believe me. You don't believe me? Can't be touched, can't be stopped, can't be moved, can't be rocked, can't be shook. We hot. When will you niggas learn? Came to get crunk, came to bring life, came to get started, came to get right. Turn down the music, turn up my mic. When will you niggas learn? Open your hearts for me, look what I got for you. You in the presence